when people think about whitetail hunting, you know, most people, their brain automatically goes to the Midwest. But a huge portion of dedicated hardcore whitetail hunters do so in the South. And their seasons just look different. The problem I've been trying to solve is that we've always built clothes that work well in hot weather. But what we never did was figure out how we could take those systems that worked well in hot weather and optimize them for a hot weather, high humidity whitetail hunter. They need something that not only breathes incredibly well, but they also need something that dries incredibly fast. Essentially, when you think about remaining comfortable in a hot weather, high humidity environment, you're thinking about maintaining the microclimate between your skin and that layer you put on top of it. The best way to do that is to let air flow through there. We've now created a garment where the entire garment is letting air come through. So it's coming in one side, it's going out the other side. This is a system that really was designed for people that have specific needs. Keeping you cool, keeping you dry when it's really hot and it's really humid. Trace is your ultimate hot weather, high humidity pursuit package. So we've built in KineticGrid technology into the fabric, you know, the textiles that are used to build all of these pieces. And what that technology allows these pieces to do is breathe incredibly well. They're gonna dry incredibly fast. They're gonna remain silent, and they're durable enough to, you don't have to baby them. Even though these pieces are lightweight and hot weather, they're meant to be in the field, they're meant to be used, and they're gonna perform exceptionally well for those hot weather, high humidity pursuits where you still need to be quiet and you still need to be able to rely on your gear to hold up.